Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In this video, we will be showing you how to sign up and log in to online banking services from KeyBank. First of all, let's go into our web browser. Now in the address bar, type in key.com and press enter. This will take you into the official website of KeyBank. You can find the online banking section at the right side of the home page. To sign up, click on the Enroll button. Now this will ask you to select the type of your account. Select either one to get into the next screen. Now you will be asked to enter your social security number. After entering it, click on the Continue button. Now you will be asked to register using your debit card or your account number. Select either one of them, and you will be asked to enter your credentials. After entering your credentials, click on the Next button. After clicking on this, you will be allowed to set up your profile and create a username and password for your account. Once that is done, you can go into key.com and click on the Sign On button. This will take you into the login page. You are asked to enter your user ID. After entering your username, click on the Continue button. This will ask you to enter your password now. And after entering your password, click on Continue and you will be logged into your online banking service with Key. So that's it for this video. If you like our content, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.